The universe is expanding, as more and more space is coming into its extent in between, and the galaxies are moving away from one another. You already know that, but sometimes you might wonder what's on the outside and in what space the whole volume of universe is expanding. Of course, you could imagine a balloon. When you blow well into it, it expands and there is other space outside of it. But the universe is a different story. Sometimes you can imagine how it's expanding while there is no space outside of it. So the universe were very young and so small once upon a time. So imagine yourself standing in it and looking in the direction. So the universe was so small, so your vision can reach the end. So what should you see? Of course, you shouldn't see a wall or a boundary, because the idea of a rigid boundary could also mean there is some kind of outside space. So when you're looking straight, your vision should reach the end and come back right from behind, and you should see the back of your head. And when you look up, you should see your feet. So this should remind you some video games. In the TV screen, when you go up, you come back from the bottom, and the left and the right goes the same. This is possible if you can bend the universe and join its edge into it, not just the left and right, top and bottom in all directions. But you have to do it in some kind of geometry you can't even sense. You can sense the bending. You live along with the space being bent. So if you keep it that way, more and more space will come to existence in just in this range, and all the location, all the points you could imagine will be just inside the range of the universe, and there is no need of imagining outside space. So now the universe is large, very large, and don't worry, you won't see the back of your head when you just straight look forward.